Hi team, today we are going to learn how we can launch a bond in RTBA. Basically, whenever we need to launch a bond, we need tenant's detail and their date of birth. So you need an application before you do the bond launchment, and it is always done before you pass the keys of the properties to the tenants. So do it before you let them in the property. So there is an option of launch a bond. You need to open that. The first option is funding source. A bond can be funded by the renter's private or a loan by Homes of Victoria. So there are two options. Sometimes the tenants take the bond from the loans from the Homes of Victoria. So if they have taken the loan, you need to choose that option. And if they are paying the bond by themselves, then you need to choose private option. If you are choosing the bond can be loaned by Homes of Victoria, then you need to choose next, and here you need to put the voucher name number that you have received on your email. And once you put the number, you need to next and confirm all the information, and it will be all done. But if in case it is paid by renter themselves, then you need to select the bond pair. If they have paid onto the trust account, then you always need to select the rental provider, because in RTBA you are the rental provider and the money will be deducted from your trust account. And if not, they are paying directly, then you need to choose that option. Once we selected the options, here we need to put the details. You need to select the property details. For example, I'm entering the property address. If it will be all correct, the geographical location will be pick up the correct address. Now the premises type, whether it is flat, unit or apartment, a separate house or a terrace or a rooming house. So I have chosen it is a separate house and the number of bedrooms are 4, right? Modification required, so we don't require the modification in the bond always, so we select no. The bond amount would be equal to the 1 month of rent amount, so whatever it would be, we need to put as same as rent amount. For example, the rent amount is 2303 and the weekly rent is 520. Now the date bond received by the rental provider, that should be always the same as lease start date. Let's take an example. The lease is going to be start on 20th of June. Now the tenancy start date will always be same as the bond received by the rental provider date. Now the type of tenancy is fixed, and here I need to mention the period of tenancy in months only. Right? Once I next, now as we have taken the example, alright. So here I need to put the details of the tenants. For example, the name of tenant is Priya, right? And the date of birth is pick any, right? Mobile number could be any too, and I have put it the random email address, right? If there are more than one tenant, then you can add the tenant from here. If only one, then you can proceed by next. Here you have the confirmed details. You need to confirm all the details from here. If there is anything, you can add it, right? Once you submit, it will not be added, right? As it has been just given an example, so I'm not gonna submit that. Be careful whenever you are doing anything regarding the bond, because once it is launched, there is no way out. So whenever you are putting the information, be careful about the amount, about the contact details, about the name, and it should be same as of legal documents. Thank you.